The human washing machine. The Electronic Times reported this story on November 28, 2025. In Japan, a new machine is coming soon. It is called the human washing machine. It looks like a large modern capsule. To use it, you simply lie down inside. For 15 minutes, the machine washes your body. It uses tiny bubbles and a soft mist. It also dries you at the end. While you wash, the machine plays relaxing music. Special sensors check your health too. This machine was very popular at the Osaka Expo, held in April 2025. Now, a company in Tokyo will sell it. However, it costs a lot of money. The price is about 60 million yen, about 562 million won. That is a very expensive way to take a bath.